it comes to choosing colors for your siding and trim for a new house exterior, you're really going to want to leverage the tools that your contractor has. A few things that we have here at Craftsman's Choice that we really try to promote and get people to use is a design tool. We have a product software that we can take 8 pictures around the house and it'll build a 3D model for us, and we can plug in different styles and colors and kind of narrow things down that way. We have product samples that we bring out to the house that you can kind of look through and narrow it down to 4 or 5 that might be ones that you're considering. Another big one that we leverage is we have a reference list of about 50 pages that lists the house, the address, and then what we did on each project. So you can actually go out, look at a 6-inch country lane red siding with Arctic white trim. Drive to the house, take a look at it in natural light. We recommend looking at it both on a sunny day and on a cloudy day because it can really take different tones to that color. Another thing is our website. We have all of the projects on our website that are sorted by color, so you can sift through that and kind of really hone in on the color that you're looking for. Color is oftentimes one of the things that prevents people from moving forward. It's a really tough decision because you want to make sure that the color you choose is what you're looking for. And so those goals, those tools that we use, the goal is that when the palette of siding arrives, that you're comfortable with that choice because you've seen so many different examples of that siding and that trim color that you're confident that when it goes on, it's going to be what you had intended and going to look the way that you're looking for.